Check out ReadyLIFT's 3.5-inch SST lift kit on the 2017 Ford F-150. Now this kit is going to be compatible with your 2-wheel and 4-wheel drive models, and the kit in front of me is for a 1-piece drive shaft. Now if you have a 2-piece drive shaft, your kit will also include a carrier drop bracket, which is going to correct that driveline angle. With this kit, you're going to get 3.5 inches of lift in the front and 1 3/4 inches of lift in the rear, which is going to give your truck that nice lifted and leveled stance. The front lift also includes 2 machined-built aluminum strut extensions that are designed and engineered to keep your strut in that factory geometry. Now what that's going to do for you is give you proper suspension clearance, and it's also going to help you maintain that factory ride quality. The 2 aluminum preload spacers are going to act as a droop limiter to help protect your CV axle on your 4-wheel drive models. The rear lift consists of aluminum spacer blocks with dual locating pins to ensure correct positioning. Now as far as lift kits goes, this one's pretty simple to install. There's no cutting or drilling, and you can fit up to a 35-inch tire with the correct offset and back spacing on your wheels. So just make sure you check that out before you purchase new wheels and tires. The ReadyLIFT 3.5-inch kit is made right here in the USA and comes with a limited lifetime warranty. We also ship them for free anywhere in the lower 48 states. If you have any questions, give us a call or visit us online.